This is Numbers with Nicole with another model of using sine A equals cosine B if and only if angle A plus angle B equals 90. So let's look at another type of question. In right triangle ABC, angle C equals 90. If cosine of B is 5 over 13, which function also equals 5 over 13? So why is this question more challenging? We don't have a picture, so let's draw one. They said C is the angle, A, B, C. All right, and then they told me that the cosine of B is 5 over 13. So we could just go back to our normal knowledge. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So if B is my reference angle, BC, or the adjacent side, would be 5, and my hypotenuse H would be 13. Okay, so now in this multiple choice question here, they gave me tangent, but we know that tangent is TOA and doesn't even have the hypotenuse in it, so we know those are out. There's no H. So we're left with sine of A and sine of B. Again, we could rely on our normal trigonometry knowledge. We don't have to know this special rule for this particular question, but if I have the cosine of B, then that should be equal to the sine of A, and I can check that. All right, if A is my reference angle, opposite is 5, and our hypotenuse stays the same, which is 13. We don't know what AC is. We could solve for that using trig or Pythagorean theorem, but is not equal to 5 over 13.